Welcome back to our false belief series. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not you have to be wealthy to even trade stocks. Now, it's helpful if you have money, and you can have even more money, and in theory that would allow you to take maybe some more risk, but the reality is you can start with a very small amount of money. In fact, I would encourage you, regardless of how much money you had, to start with a small amount of money. Why is that? Well, we need to see that you're going to make a small amount of money grow. If you can make a small amount of money grow, then you ought to be able to make a big amount of money grow. However, what if you start trading and you find that it's difficult and you're actually losing money on more trades than you're making money? Then all you're going to do is actually just lose a bunch of money. So I would encourage you to start small, develop consistent habits, and then try to learn how to win big with a small amount, and then just do the same things with a larger amount of money.